You understand? So you need to understand the grammar of God. You need to understand that for some people, I can tell you now, some people, if you go to school, let's go back to school now. Let's just have a little bit of a back to school moment. Do you know some people, by just listening in class, they will pass the exams? Somebody just listen. They don't even make notes, nothing. They just listen. But somebody who are of seeing, and they see as the teacher makes some pictures, they understand it better with pictures. While somebody else, they can look there far, but just listen to what he said, and yet they can still do that. So we are literally in different ways that we hear God. Some of us can hear God by just having some sort of a feeling. And the feeling, sometimes you ask, wow, why am I feeling so good? Knowing God is at that moment there.